Have you ever noticed how your phone recognizes your face? YouTube knows what you want to watch next, and cars are starting to drive themselves. All of that is powered by artificial intelligence. But here's the thing, AI is not just one technology. There are many different types of artificial intelligence, and they are used for very different purposes. So in this video, we're going to break down the main types of AI, what they can actually do, and where you see them in real life. When people say AI, they often imagine something like a human-level brain that can think and make decisions like a person. But in reality, almost all AI we use today is very narrow. It is built to do one specific task, and only that task. This is why the most common type of AI is called narrow AI, also known as weak AI. This is the kind of AI that is everywhere around you. Voice assistants like Siri and Alexa, recommendation systems on Netflix and TikTok, face recognition on your phone, and spam filters in your email. They are very good at one job, but completely useless outside of it. A voice assistant can answer questions, but it can't drive a car. A self-driving system can recognize roads, but it can't write music. These systems don't understand the world like humans do. They just recognize patterns in data and follow mathematical rules. And even the most impressive AI today is still narrow AI. Now let's move to something that doesn't exist yet, but everyone is talking about. General AI, also known as strong AI. This is the type of artificial intelligence that would be able to learn and perform any intellectual task that a human can. It could understand language, solve problems, learn new skills, and adapt to completely new situations, just like a person. If narrow AI is like a calculator, then general AI would be like a full human brain. But right now, general AI does not exist, and all current systems are still specialized tools, even the most advanced ones. Scientists are actively researching this area, but we are not close to creating true human-level intelligence yet. And then there is the most extreme concept of all, superintelligent AI. This would be an AI that is smarter than the best human minds in every possible field, including science, creativity, strategy, and social skills. At that point, AI could improve itself and create even smarter versions very quickly. This is the kind of AI you usually see in movies where machines become more intelligent than humans and start controlling the world. Right now, this is pure theory in science fiction, but many scientists still take this idea seriously, because if it ever happens, it would completely change civilization. Now let's talk about another important way to classify AI, by how it works. The most common approach today is machine learning. Instead of being programmed with strict rules, machine learning systems learn from data. You show the system thousands or millions of examples, and it learns patterns on its own. For example, to teach AI to recognize cats, you don't write rules about ears and tails. You show it millions of pictures, and it figures out what makes a cat. This is how recommendation systems, image recognition, and speech recognition work. Inside machine learning, there is a more advanced category called deep learning. Deep learning uses neural networks inspired by how the human brain works. These networks have many layers that process information step by step, from simple features to complex ideas, and this is what powers modern language models, realistic image generation, and advanced voice synthesis. Another type of AI is rule-based systems. This is the old-school approach to artificial intelligence. Instead of learning from data, the system follows strict if-then rules written by programmers, like if temperature is high, turn on the fan, or if the password is wrong 3 times, block the account. These systems are very predictable and reliable, but they are also very limited. They can't learn or improve on their own, and they fail in unexpected situations. Now let's look at AI by how it interacts with the world. Some systems are called reactive machines. They only react to current input and don't remember the past. A classic example is early chess computers. They analyze the board and choose the best move, but they don't learn from previous games. Then there is limited memory AI. This type of AI can use past data to make better decisions. Self-driving cars are a good example, because they remember recent positions of other cars, traffic lights, and road conditions to predict what will happen next. Most modern AI systems fall into this category. Then there are more theoretical types of AI. Theory of mind AI would be AI that understands emotions, intentions, and beliefs of humans and could predict how people will react and adapt socially. This kind of AI does not exist yet, but researchers are studying it for social robots and mental health applications. And finally, there is self-aware AI. This would be an AI that is conscious, aware of itself, and able to think about its own existence. Right now, this is purely philosophical and science fiction, and no system even comes close to this level of intelligence. So where does this leave us today? Almost all AI we use daily is narrow AI powered by machine learning and deep learning. It is incredibly good at specific tasks, but it does not think, feel, or understand like humans. It doesn't have goals, emotions, or awareness. It only follows mathematical optimization. But even with these limitations, AI is already changing medicine, transportation, education, entertainment, and business. And as models become more powerful, we will see even more automation and smarter digital assistants. The key thing to remember is that artificial intelligence is not magic and not a single technology. It is a collection of different tools and algorithms designed to solve specific problems. So next time someone says AI will replace everyone, remember it's not one superbrain, it's thousands of very specialized tools, each good at one thing and useless at everything else. If this video helped you understand how artificial intelligence is actually structured, leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and write in the comments where you personally see AI most often in your daily life, and I'll see you in the next video.